Check out this very nice 1999 Kawasaki Vulcan 800 Classic. This is Kawasaki's mid-size cruiser motorcycle. Has the 805cc vtwin carbureted engine, 5-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. Bike has 25,699 miles on the odometer. Bike is in good condition. Next to all original, it does have an upgraded exhaust system. Sounds very nice. Aftermarket saddlebags, backrest, low seat height, middle weight. This bike handles really nice, easy to ride. Price good at only $29.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out.